Hi Parkview students, this is Mrs. Bin, your art teacher. I'm going to give you just a little demonstration on how to draw a face for the big community-wide project you're going to do soon for the book I Am We. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks kind of right here on this paper and maybe some ideas over here as well as we go. So to start, you're going to just kind of start to draw on your paper a letter U, like a letter U from the alphabet, and this will be the shape of your face. And then down here we can just do two straight parallel lines. That's your neck. And you can just do two curvy lines that go almost to the edge, and that's your shoulders. Later, if you want, you could draw your favorite shirt. Maybe you have a favorite sports team logo. You can do a pattern, and you can work on that later if you have time. But we're gonna kind of talk about how to draw a face. Now, your eyes, instead of drawing big cartoon eyes like this, your eyes are actually more the shape of a lemon or a football. So we're gonna start by doing two little upside down rainbows like this, two little curvy lines. And if you make a mistake, not a big deal, just keep going. And then I kind of like to do another curvy line like this to make more of this kind of shape. This is actually the shape that most of our eyes are, more of like a football or lemon shape. On the inside, you have a circle and you have a dot. The circle part is your iris. That's the colorful part. Maybe you have brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, and the little dot is called a pupil. Now, we're gonna add another little curvy line for your eyelid. When you go to sleep at night, your eyelid is all the way down. And everyone, boys and girls, have eyelashes. These protect your eyes. Like if you're out at recess and it's a windy day and there might be some sand or wood chips or something, it protects your eyes from things flying around in the air. And everybody has what we call eyebrows. So two curvy lines. You can pause the video at any time if you need a little bit of time to catch up. We're going to keep things really nice and simple with the nose and just do a capital letter L. If you want to do a different kind of nose, or if you know how to draw a nose with more detail, go for it. And I think for this drawing, we can just do a nice simple mouth. If you're someone who is maybe in 4th or 5th grade and you have more experience drawing your lips, or maybe your mouth is open with teeth, you can do that. We have two ears. Our ears are located right here between our eyes and our mouth. And then you're gonna think about what type of hair you have. Is your hair straight? Is your hair curly? Do you have braids in your hair? Do you have short hair, long hair? Do you wear a hijab? Do you like to wear a baseball cap? You get to decide. I have straight hair, and when my hair is down, it kind of looks like this. So I'm gonna draw my hair like this. And I know that my hair, when it's down, goes about to my shoulders. And then you can start to think about any other details about who you are and what you look like. That's what makes you unique and special. Maybe you wear glasses. Maybe you have dimples. So you can go from there. All right, happy drawing.